Liverpool and London, January 5, 2025.
¿Cogeríais en avión así, atrapados en Londres con Ryanair?
Heavy snow warnings remain in place across northern England, with the weather leaving thousands without power across the UK and causing disruption at airports. The Amber Met Office warning is in place for snow across northern England until midnight, while much of Wales and the Midlands has also been affected by snow, ice and freezing rain. Manchester Airport and Liverpool John Lennon Airport closed their runways for several hours due to snow this morning, urging passengers to check with their airlines for the latest flight information while their teams work to clear the snow.
It's snowing! I'm happy like a little kid, so fun!
Leeds Bradford Airport's runway is still closed as its teams work to clear snow and minimize the impact on flight schedules. An amber warning for snow remains in force for parts of Lancashire, the north of Greater Manchester and Cumbria until midnight tonight. Weather forecasters have also issued a new yellow warning for snow and ice across the entire northwest of England. Accumulations of snow are forecast over the Pennines through Sunday. Met Office Chief Forecaster Frank Saunders said the wintry showers over areas of higher ground could turn heavy this evening. Meanwhile, melting snow and rain could see significant river flooding in parts of Lancashire. Sarah Cook at the Environment Agency said, "This is expected today and on Monday, with people urged to stay away from swollen rivers and not drive through floodwater." Liverpool's clash with Manchester United at Anfield is going ahead after two safety meetings were held to assess the conditions. The club confirmed the decision on X external and urged fans to take extra care while traveling to the match, which starts at 16:30 Greenwich Mean Time. It comes after Birmingham Airport suspended operations for several hours overnight for snow clearing and safety reasons, but said it was on schedule for business as usual to start the morning. Bristol Airport reopened at about 11 p.m. on Saturday after an earlier closure, but some passengers who landed at the airport early this morning were left waiting for their baggage for several hours.
Oh my god, I'm so happy and it's still snowing. It's still snowing, look.
Meanwhile, more than 1,000 power outages across England and Wales have been reported by the National Grid and other power operators. In an update on X late this morning, the National Grid said its teams were standing by to respond to heavy snowfall and that those affected should call them on 105 to report a power cut. The Met Office had warned that power cuts were likely in amber alert zones due to ice. Large parts of the UK, including London and the southeast, are braced for heavy snow, sub-zero temperatures and freezing rain, which could lead to disruption this weekend. Stranded vehicles on the roads, delayed or cancelled rail and air travel and power cuts are all likely as the country grapples with the week-long Arctic blast of wintry conditions. The Met Office said amid 2 amber weather warnings. Its latest radar maps show a mixture of rain, sleet, and snow moving into southern parts of England and Wales during the spell.
So long for the snow. I'm so grateful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, like a little kid. Oh, look at this.
There is also a good chance that rural communities could be cut off thanks to the weather, with up to 30 centimeters of snowfall expected in some areas. Councils across London and southern England have activated emergency measures, including additional accommodation to help rough sleepers stay safe during the cold snap. Snow fell in Basingstoke, Watford and Wiltshire. The National Grid said there were a number of power cuts where it was working to restore power across the Midlands, southwest England and South Wales on Saturday evening, including in Birmingham, Bristol and Cardiff. Bristol Airport suspended its operations due to the snowfall and advised customers to contact their airlines directly. Cumbria Police said on Saturday afternoon that it had received numerous calls about a 6-vehicle collision on Rhinos Pass in the Lake District. The occupants were safely rescued. In a post on social media, the force added that there was a lot of snow and ice on the road. A Met Office spokesperson confirmed the temperatures reached a low of -8.6 C in Aboyne in Aberdeenshire overnight. The second warning for snow, covering most of northern England including Leeds, Sheffield and the Lake District, starts at 9 p.m. on Saturday and will remain in place until midnight on Sunday. Both of the warning areas can expect to see 3 centimeters to 7 centimeters of snowfall widely, while snow may mix with rain at times in lower-lying areas, the forecaster said.